All right, let's dive into the CPF program. We've completely rebuilt it for today's financial world. And we are so excited to announce the completely revamped Certificate in Python for Finance. No, check this out. We've rebuilt all 7 core classes from scratch for one seamless learning journey. The program has one mission: to create a super quant. But what exactly does that mean? It's this powerful combo of 3 distinct skills. And it all starts with domain expertise. First up, you'll get a deep, rigorous understanding of the markets, the real-world stuff. Next, you're going to master Python for real-world finance. We're talking production-grade code, not just theory. And finally, Pillar 3 is AI mastery. You'll learn to use ML and LLMs for finance. And this all happens on our brand new integrated learning platform. So what's inside? You get over 400 hours of premium video lessons, complete with AI-powered summaries. Plus, your enrollment includes the entire digital library of 7 essential books, a huge resource. You'll get over 600 execution-ready Jupyter notebooks. Just click and run, right in your browser. Got a tough question? Just ask our AI assistant. You'll get instant, accurate answers. And you're not on your own. You can connect with peers and get expert feedback in the global forum. So, you might be wondering, is this program for me? Well, let's see. It's perfect for students, finance pros, and career changers who want to build truly elite skills. Our grads say it best. Artem told us the CPF completely changed the way he works. And Konstantinos called it the holy grail of algo trading education. That focus on real projects is key. Okay, so how do you earn your certificate? It all comes down to the final capstone project. You'll create a research notebook, defend your work, and get detailed feedback directly from Dr. Hilpisch. And once you pass, you earn the official Certificate in Python for Finance, a serious credential. So the only real question is, are you ready to build your future in finance?